Be hot without overheating. Designed specifically for summer heat without sacrificing protection, the Cleo 2.2 features Joe Rocket's exclusive FreeAir mesh ventilation at the torso, arms, and back, covering over 80% of the jacket in high-capacity flow-through ventilation. This not only keeps fresh air coming in, it also dramatically reduces heat and humidity buildup. And for when sun turns liquid, a removable, waterproof, zipper-secured full-sleeve liner keeps you dry. Backing up this high airflow chassis, protection comes in the form of resistant Rock-Tex textile at the ribs, hips, and shoulders, while complemented by CE-approved armor at the elbows and shoulders, along with a removable high-density back protector. Keeping all this protection in place is Rocket's integrated 9-point SureFit adjustment system with adjustment points at the waist, forearms, hips, and cuffs, ensuring you get the look you want. Other ride-specific details include an ultra-low profile collar, 2 outside pockets, a waterproof audio device pocket and integrated cable port, extended back, ample reflective striping, an 8-inch zipper plus 4 belt loops for jacket to pant attachment, and one of the most extensive assortment of color options in the industry. Superior protection, ventilation, and adjustability in a distinctly feminine piece of riding protection. The Cleo 2.2.